In Syndeia 3.0 and earlier, the intermodal connections that Syndeia creates and manages were stored in a Magic Draw or Rhapsody SysML model. This made collaboration difficult for any team members that didn't have access to the SysML tool, or at least read-write privileges to the entire SysML model. While Syndeia 3.1 relaxed these restrictions somewhat, the Syndeia connections were still associated with a specific SysML model. The introduction of Syndeia Cloud in version 3.2 changes that. A SysML model is no longer the hub of all the intermodal connections, or even required at all. But this raises a new challenge. What defines the total system model, the collection of domain models and the connections between them, and distinguishes it from other system models? With Syndeia Cloud, this identity is captured in a Syndeia project. In this video, we will show how to create a new Syndeia project, or select an existing project when the Syndeia dashboard is launched. We will demonstrate this using Syndeia as a Rhapsody plugin. As usual, we have opened a Rhapsody SysML model containing the Syndeia profile. Before we launch the Syndeia dashboard, we will check the settings by right-clicking a model element and selecting Syndeia Settings. Under the Syndeia Store Settings heading, the first item, Select Primary Store, has a drop-down menu with two choices, SysML Model and Cloud. If we choose SysML Model, Syndeia stores all intermodal connections in the SysML model, just as it has since Syndeia was first introduced. If we choose Cloud, then the following items in this section become relevant. You will need to obtain the server settings and your account name and password from your Syndeia Cloud administrator. If you have changed any settings, click Apply before closing. Syndeia 3.1 had another option under Select Primary Store called Database. This is no longer available. Contact Intercax if you need to transfer old projects to the cloud. Now that Cloud has been selected as the primary store, launch the Syndeia dashboard in the usual way. The first window that appears is titled Select or Create Syndeia Project. We will create a new project by entering a name, key, and description. Your organization should select the naming conventions that you use so that confusion about which project is which is minimized. The project key is a unique string of up to 10 characters. When these fields are completed, click the New button, then find the project that you have just created, select it, and click OK, and the normal dashboard is launched.